Hlpmj. So this is obviously all about the long L. Let's have a little look at the H launch because it's very similar to the B that we saw earlier. And I like here Nadia is nice and low relative to, and we're all relative to each other, and that puts less of an exaggeration on the lowness of Otto's knee as he comes through the door. So it's not a big deal. So nice fix there. The getting you guys comfortable with the long L so that when it does crop up as an obvious choice, you're less shy of it, hopefully. And we just kind of have one glitch. It's coming up in a couple of pages. Everything's looking, there it is. Okay, so everything was looking all right. And then we just have, it looks like the front is a little bit ahead. Well, actually, we're a little bit off sequence, aren't we? So H, L, off the grips. And then Matthew comes off the grip before it's complete at the front, or as it's completing at the front, and Yora decides to hold on to the grip. And I think that's the key there, Yora, is you should have just gone with it. Right here, it would have been good to have just gone with it, because hanging on is not going to help us at this point. We do have a slightly low Otto at the front, close to the door, which obviously isn't helping. But that one little glitch there, and what's that on 54? So if you guys, you jumped in on 1, so it's close to being in time as well. Well, it's definitely going to, sorry, it's definitely going to be in time as well. So yeah, my thing here is, okay, we've had a glitch, we've lost some communication, but holding on to that grip is not the right thing to do in a random jump. It's key, get off the grips, and everyone needs to be noticing that something happened. Just stay off the grips in between as we then get to the next point and then get back on the horse and just keep riding, which you guys do. I mean, the rest of the jump looks really nice, and maybe it's just with a little more awareness after that glitch. Let's have a look at the front of the L, seeing how Nadia's getting on with Otto's grips. Remember, Otto, for you, it's a rotation. You definitely want to feel like you're rotating to allow that knee into Nadia's hand. I'm thinking it probably looks a lot clearer from above than it does on level. Let me just have a quick look. Okay, let's have a look here. So H. Oh, that's it. Yeah, just that rotation into the front there. And Yora, for you on the L's and the P's. So you're coming in, hopefully you're feeling Matthew and you're seeing this as you pick up the last grip in the center. Try not to be the first on in the middle. And the same with the P, just kind of holding off the grips, feeling Matthew picking you up, seeing Otto and Nadia connect, and then you pick up the grip on Nadia. That's really going to help with the keys. Yeah, it looks like you're doing that there. So you hold off the grip a little bit. Matthew is on here. I still think you could hold off a little bit longer and see what's going on so that the last grip in the center is you. And that also helps Nadia as well, because if you jump on that grip a little too soon, it's restricting her arm onto Otto. So I would say choreograph that grip there, Yora. So hold off, see the guys connect, and then drop on. So it'd be nice to know how you guys feel about each of these randoms as we do them. So just a little bit of feedback on the different randoms.